Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about hybridization, an important topic in chemical bonding 11th CBSE chemistry as well as first PUC chemistry. So children, the hybridization in the sense it is the intermixing of two orbitals having different energy and shape to form equal number of hybrid orbitals having same energy and identical shape. So in hybridization, what is happening? The two different orbitals are intermixing to create the hybrid orbitals having identical shape as well as identical energy. So first hybridization we are going to discuss in this video is sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, there is a intermixing of spherical shape s orbital and dumbbell shape p orbital to form two sp hybrid orbitals. Here one spherical shape s orbital is intermixing with the dumbbell shape p orbital. Both have different shape and different energy. When they intermix, they are going to create two hybrid orbital. They are called as sp hybrid orbitals. So this is a representation of sp hybrid orbitals. And in this sp hybrid orbitals, you can find 50% s character and 50% p character. And during sp hybridization, you will get a linear structure with a bond angle 180 degree. Let us take few examples for sp hybridization. One example is beryllium chloride BeCl2. Here we know beryllium Be atomic number is 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. This is the electronic configuration in ground state. And during excited state, what happens? The paired electron of 2s orbital get unpaired and one electron undergo excitation and occupy one of the p orbital, empty p orbital in excited state. So in excited state, electronic configuration of beryllium will be 1s2, 2s1, 2p1. So after excitation, one s orbital and one p orbital undergo intermixing to form sp hybrid orbital. One s orbital and one p orbital are going to hybridize to form two sp hybrid orbitals. After hybridization, each sp hybrid orbital is going to overlap axially with the p orbital of chlorine, forming sigma bond, with the p orbital of chlorine to form sigma bond. So this is beryllium and these are the two chlorine atom, forms the linear structure with a bond angle 180 degree. Children, so I'll repeat once again, the spherical shape s orbital intermix with dumbbell shape p orbital. After intermixing, there is a creation of two sp hybrid orbitals. These are the sp hybrid orbitals of beryllium atom. Now each sp hybrid orbital is going to overlap with the p orbital of chlorine, because in chlorine the unpaired electron is present in p orbital whose shape is dumbbell shape. With that p orbital of chlorine, beryllium is going to overlap linearly to form a sigma bond. And another sp hybrid orbital also overlap axially with the dumbbell shape p orbital of another chlorine to form one sigma bond. So in beryllium chloride BeCl2, two sigma bonds are there due to sp hybridization, structure is linear and bond angle is 180 degree. We have one more example for sp hybridization, that is in ethine, commonly called as acetylene. Molecular formula is C2H2, and between the two carbon atom you can find triple bond, 1 sigma and 2 pi, whereas between carbon and hydrogen you can find sigma bond. So here carbon atomic number is 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In ground state you can find only 2 unpaired electron in carbon, but in excited state the paired electron of 2s orbital becomes unpaired and 1 electron shift to the empty p orbital. So in excited state of carbon you can find 4 unpaired electron and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So in excited state of carbon we can find 4 unpaired electron, 1 in s and 3 in p orbital. So 1 s orbital and 1 p orbital undergo hybridization to form 2 sp hybrid orbitals. So that sp hybrid orbital we can represent like this. These are the sp hybrid orbitals of carbon. Each sp hybrid orbital is one sp hybrid orbital overlap with the sp hybrid orbital of another carbon atom by forming sigma bond. So another sp hybrid orbital of each carbon overlap axially with the s orbital of hydrogen to form sigma bond. So this is the s orbital of hydrogen to form a sigma bond. Now in each carbon you can find 2 unhybridized p orbitals. In each carbon atom you can find 2 unhybridized p orbital. This is a representation of 2 unhybridized p orbital. So these unhybridized p orbital overlap sideway to form pi bond. So this is the representation orbital structure of ethine or acetylene, where between the two carbon atom you can find triple bond, 1 sigma and 2 pi bond, and between carbon and hydrogen you can find sigma bond.